Watu wa Mungu, we thank you. Tunakuheshimu sana, tunawapenda sana. Maana umekuwa msaada kwetu mkubwa sana. Umetusaidia kusimama nasi, kutembea nasi katika njia mbalimbali, njia za kifedha, njia za kimaombi, kuwa pamoja nasi emotionally. You have lifted us. You've made us to stand to the position ambazo tumesimama. That is why we want to thank you once again, and we want to invite you for an encounter. Just tell your neighbor, an encounter. This is a special encounter this Friday on it will be on the 14th from 8 p.m. We'll be having Kameme Kegosho with Martin Wajanet and myself and the ministers of this sanctuary, the synagogue, where people are set free. We are God, we are all of us, we are one in the Lord. I want to invite you for this Kegosho from 8 p.m. until morning. There is huge and powerful an encounter. Just don't miss this one. This one you cannot miss. It is special, especially for you. It is well catered for you. And this one will change. It is a life-changing Kesha for you and for your family, for your business, and for whatever you do. And there will be spiritual impartation, a powerful one, where also my spiritual father, Bishop Harrison, will be joining us just for that word of a prayer. May God bless you as you come. I will be here waiting for you. I will be expecting you for this wonderful blessing that God has prepared us for. God bless you as you come.